Hey, what's up, America? Welcome back to Blaster's Garage. I'm Leon Tackett, and what the heck are you doing?
I'm excited.
For what?
I'm excited. We're gonna take that engine out today, man.
Oh yeah, nice.
I can't wait. How long is this thing gonna take?
Good 5 hours.
Oh, let's get into my beer drinking time, man. We better hurry up on this, Leon.
I got that covered, man. Beer is authorized while we're working today.
Woohoo!
I got that all signed off. We're good to go.
Good to go. So today we got the engine out, and it took a little while, but not too long. What are you doing?
Man, I'm just happy we got it out, but I'm flipping tired.
Man, come on, we got more stuff to do. We got the AC to rip out, we got the front rear bumper to rip out. Man, we got a lot of work to do on this thing. He's tired. We gotta get it done. Let's get started. Let's go back in.
That little beer, little rest, manana.
Beer? All right,
Beer 30.
beer. All right, cool, beer. Hey guys, don't forget, check us out on Facebook, Instagram.
And YouTube, Blaster's Garage. You gotta subscribe so you can keep track of what's happening with this truck.
Yeah!
There it is. You know, beer is beer.
Good to go. Hey, keep it. I was gonna say.